We're on site today here for the very first open day by McCLOSKEY Washing Systems and McCLOSKEY. This is the very first McCLOSKEY wash plant that has been supplied in the UK. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank Crown Aggregates who have purchased this plant and for the wonderful efforts that they've put into preparing the site for us today. And this plant that we have here today is basically put in to wash scalpings, which is the residue material that traditionally would be scalped off the mining and quarrying of virgin hard rock. It's a very difficult material to process. It's quite high clay content and high silt content. Typically the silt content in this material is between 15 and 18%. And this plant you'll see washing today is washing the material at 150 tonnes per hour.
The oversized product is taken off to one side, and then our mid-sized product is then taken up and fed into the log washer. And the log washer works on a stone-on-stone attrition, where we break up the materials and free up the aggregate from the silts and the sand and the water. And that aggregate is then sent to a 12x5 double-deck part rinsing screen, where we separate 3 different grades of aggregate. All of the silts and sands that are freed up in that process are then report back to the main sandstorm plant, where along with all the other silts and sands from the primary feed, they're processed through the cyclones onto the dewatering screen, and there's 2 grades of sand, the 0 to 2 and the 0 to 5 produced.
The dirty water from this plant is actually sent to a thickening system where we add a flocculant and we produce a very thick sludge, and from that is then pumped approximately 250 metres to settling lagoons where they settle out all the silt and decant off the water. We've had a lot of visitors today. It's been a great success for us. We've had tremendous feedback on the plant, and I think what people are really appreciating is the build quality of the plant, the accessibility of the plant and the ease of maintenance of the plant. That's something that McCLOSKEY Washing Systems have put a lot of effort into in order to really differentiate themselves from the competition.